Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you all can see the thumbnail, today we are going to discuss about what is going to happen regarding JEE Mains and NEET 2020. Today is 10th August 2020 and 1st to 6th September is our JEE Main, 13th September is NEET and 27th September we have advanced. So let's focus on JEE Main and NEET. Okay, so you all know that our Karnataka Common Entrance Test or Karnataka Common Entrance Exam was held on 31st of July 2020. If I'm not wrong, please correct me, in Karnataka. And your B.Ed exam was held today, I guess, in Uttar Pradesh. Now the question comes is, what is going to happen about JEE Main and NEET 2020? Both of the exams, they had given us the SOP guidelines. Even for this exam also, I guess SOP guidelines were given. But if you see the scene outside the exam centers, the crowding of the parents, the family members and the students, it is very horrible. Okay, I don't think so this situation anyone would want as far as JEE Main and NEET is concerned. Of course, in the exam centers, when I asked my friends, and my friends were like, yes, sanitizers were used, masks were worn till the exam got over. But outside the exam hall, you might have seen images and pics floating on Google and Twitter how bad the conditions was. But the government tried its best to conduct these exams. For B.Ed, I guess around 4.3 lakh students appeared. Okay, now the question comes is, what is going to happen regarding NEET and JEE Main is concerned. Second question which comes is, what about abroad countries? What about students like us who are living in abroad? In the Indian Express, it came 6 days ago that the JEE Advance has been cancelled in foreign countries. In foreign countries, it will not take place this year due to COVID-19 pandemic. So will JEE Main also get cancelled as far as abroad and foreign students are concerned? And the next question is mass crowding outside centers. As you all can see, it was very rightly visible in case of KCET, which was held on 31st July in Karnataka, and B.Ed on 9th August today in Uttar Pradesh. This is the most important question, and many of the creators are not speaking about it. What about foreign centers? What about abroad countries? Will JEE Main be held? Many people think that since KCET was held, even JEE Main will be held. We need to understand that KCET was an interstate exam. It was a one-state exam. People don't travel to give KCET from Punjab to Bangalore or from Delhi to Bangalore. No, they don't do like that. It's one-state exam. But for as JEE Main and NEET is concerned, people travels from one city to other city, from one state to other state. Point number one. Point number two, I heard the railways are closed till 12th of August. People are getting afraid to travel. I know many friends in my native town who travel to Bangalore to give exam and they stay in hotel. Think practically, do you think anyone will stay in a hotel or a lodge right now in this COVID-19 pandemic? So you cannot compare KCET or B.Ed exam in Uttar Pradesh to JEE Main. These two exams which are held, they are not nationwide exams, unlike JEE Main and NEET. So nothing is clear. I would just say don't waste your time when watching my video. Okay, just pray that decisions come in a right favor. So that's it. Let's see what happens. Okay, I think NTA has to do something and they will do. The decision will be in our favor. We all know that 2 petitions are filed. One has been registered on Friday. One will be registered in the Supreme Court latest by tomorrow. Let's see. Till then, stay home, stay safe, stay studying until some good news comes up. Till then, bye bye.